Guys, so my car got towed, and let's see what car they gave me. Oh, it's a Ford. Huh. What Ford is? Oh, the Ford Escape. And today, I'm gonna see if I can sell this to dealership and get a new car, cause I've been wanting one of those, like a Hyundai. I drive our Santa Fe for a while. One that I'm getting is a hybrid. I don't know the difference in between the hybrids. All there knows that it has an electric motor. So yeah, there are a lot of people at the dealership. Especially out of the one. Oh my god. And of course people don't work here. Ooh, I really want one. What that is. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can.
Or a hotel has. This has. This right.
Yes. They also said I'm gonna have to wait like 10 to 20 minutes, so I'll see you then. They said yes, obviously. So let's see when the car is, where that car is. Oh, a McLaren, I really want one. Okay, so here's the, car. I mean, it sounds like a hybrid. It also looks like a hybrid, and she looks cute. It says a plug-in hybrid, but we're just gonna shortcut. Big shortcut. Oh. Well, just because I want to feel fancy. God, I hate that reversing noise. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'm back for part 3 where I get a new house. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and just be safe. I wanna. Okay, that's what it's. Yeah, bye guys. I will miss you all. And I will see you all in the next video.